All right. Good evening, guys. Good evening, guys. Good evening, guys. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. Sometimes, but life is tough. Life cannot be tough. Or when I life really tough, you have to be the one to blame yourself. You need to be the one to be blamed. How can life be tough? You cannot give Mamelodi Sundowns. Why Mamelodi Sundowns lost the CAF Champions League tonight is because of some few things that they need to fix in South Africa. In order for Sundowns to compete in Africa, they need to have competition in their own league. You cannot tell me what Sundowns you wanna all the time you wanna each and every year wanna ba leader league ba winner league got 25 points, 30 points, they are leading teams come 15 points, 20 points, 30 points, but they are proud of that. How can you be proud of that? Can't you see how that is a downfall? Because some at all money, you don't have competition in South Africa, but you want to go out there in Africa to compete. How are you going to do that? In order for Sundowns to be able to go to Africa to compete, they must start here at home. But the charity begins at home. Mamelodi Sundowns must stop their recruitment procedures. You cannot always, when you want to kill competition in South Africa, and you think you are going to win CAF Champions League. If Sundowns doesn't have a competition in South Africa, who are they thinking where they will go and compete against? Because those teams out there, Pyramids, all those players, all the quality players, bench. Today, I was even surprised. I was looking at their bench. At the stands. I hope like one of those players, hey guys, those guys were too many. Those guys, I think they were 20, 30 something watching on the stands. Imagine, how can you have 30 something players on the stands and you've got another 14 players on the bench? Oh, come on. And you think, when are you going to win CAF Champions League? When are you going to win CAF Champions League? When? Mamelodi Sundowns. Oh, Emmanuel. Pela Ronaldo say, So, you cannot all the time when Kaizer Chiefs and Orlando Pirates, when they go out there, they are looking to buy players. Whenever you go after Kaizer Chiefs and Orlando Pirates targets, you want to lose all of them, to put them on a bench because you are scared for challenges. Let me tell you something. When Kaizer Chiefs was dominant, they won 33 trophies. If you want to know which year, ask me, I'll tell you. We didn't start supporting Kaizer Chiefs yesterday, Pelaruna. It's history. When Kaizer Chiefs was dominant, they won 33 trophies in 10 years. Mamelodi Sundowns only won 8 trophies in 10 years. When Kaizer Chiefs was sleeping. Since 2016, Kaizer Chiefs never won a trophy. Right? Up to till now, Mamelodi Sundowns won 8 trophies. Plus that Nedbank Cup they won against Marumo Gallants. Do you still remember when Marumo Gallants qualified for CAF Confederation Cup? That is the only trophy Sundowns won. And they won it plus there are 8 league games, league trophies they won. For how many seasons now? For 8 years. I remember Sundowns. I love Khoza, man. Yeah. You can't tell me the Pyramids knows how to do things right. Club at 2008. You are losing against Pyramids. You spend 350 million. Pila, there's no difference between Sundowns, Kaizer Chiefs, and Pirates here. Okay, Ari Sundowns won 1 trophy. They lost Nedbank Cup. They lost Cullen Black Label. They lost Nedbank Cup. Sorry, but again, MTN 8. MTN 8, they lost it. Cullen Black Label, 2. Nedbank Cup, 3. CAF Champions League, 4. What are you buying these players for? For what? For what? Because you are buying these players to kill yourself. Sundowns, they are killing themselves. They are killing themselves. They might say whatever they want. Listen, I don't care whoever said what. I don't care. But Mamelodi Sundowns, they are their own. They must look at their own downfall. Hey, Matot, you need competition in PSL in order for you to start competing with the competitors out there. You cannot kill competition in PSL and expect to go out there and compete. Competing with who? Because you can't compete here in South Africa. You don't have competition in South Africa. You are playing against yourselves. You are competing against yourself. I think you are taking all the players to yourself. And you think you are killing competition because you want to be like Kaizer Chiefs. You want to dominate. You want to be you want to be the best in Africa. You cannot be the best in Africa. Being the best in Africa means that you need to play to win trophies. Sundowns play to win trophies. Why I was so happy when I saw Mayele. Mayele. Kari Matota, Kari Mamelodi Sundowns, Kari Nere, Kari Pyramids FCA, Wari. Ya hapa mfano kora muna mariki mitsi mariki no. Hey muna, Kari Pyramids FCA, Tua, Mamelodi Sundowns, Nere. When we were still hoping for maybe Bakabuanyana. Aye. Bakora ka scrambling goal nyana litlile abatemole yabali VAR check yeah ibile ke posigra maybe watsi batla buanyana kanti dololo. Guys, Mamelodi Sundowns won 1 trophy this season. Kaizer Chiefs won 1 trophy without spending millions. Orlando Pirates won 1 trophy without spending millions. So in a nutshell, we are on the same level. Ratswana. We will laugh at you, Mamelodi Sundowns. Wake up. Do the right thing. Stop killing competition in South Africa. You need competition in order for you to compete. You need competition in South African PSL in order for you to go out there and compete with the best. That's what you want. That's like what happen next time. Jano!